Welcome to our channel. Today we how to enable Airtable for content calendar monetization workflows detailed guide step by step clearly. First, navigate to the Airtable website and log into your account. Once logged in, create a new base by selecting Add a base from your workspace. Choose a template from the template gallery or start from scratch using a blank base. If you select a template, consider one that is designed for content calendars or project management. After selecting or naming your base, familiarize yourself with the primary components, tables, views, and fields. Create a new table specifically for your content calendar by clicking on the Table 1 tab. Label this new table Content Calendar for easy identification. In this table, define essential fields that will help you track your content. Start with a title field to enter the name of each content piece. Add a description field to provide details about the content. Include a status field to indicate whether the content is in planning, in progress, or completed. Create a publish date field to schedule when each piece will go live. Add a platform field to specify where the content will be published, like a blog or social media. Next, add a monetization strategy field to outline how you intend to monetize that content. Consider creating linked records to connect your content pieces with potential revenue sources. This way, you can track any affiliations or sponsorships associated with your content. Once your fields are set, input your content ideas into the rows of the table. As you populate the table, ensure to keep details up to date regarding the status and publishing timeline. Next, create different views to manage your workflows more efficiently. For example, you can create a calendar view to visualize deadlines and published content dates. Consider creating a Kanban view to move content pieces through different stages of completion. Now, explore Airtable's automation features to streamline your workflow. Click on the Automations tab in the base to set up triggers for your workflow. You can create triggers for reminders or notifications when deadlines are approaching. This will help keep your team aligned and ensure timely content publication. Lastly, integrate Airtable with other tools you use for content distribution and monetization. Use Airtable's API or third-party integration platforms like Zapier for seamless connections. With these steps, you can effectively enable Airtable for your content calendar monetization workflows. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.